Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a question on simplification of surds. So the question reads, simplify giving your answer in the form a plus b root c. So the first thing before we simplify, we will have to reduce this expression to a form that will be easier to work with. So the numerator might still be root 3 minus root 3 over 8, and then the denominator we have, so for this we'll have that is equivalent to root 3 over root 4, but root 4 we know is 2, so we are going to write root 3 over 2, and then plus root 2 over root 3. Root 2 over 3 can also be expressed as root 2 over root 3. So when we get to this point, we are going to consider the LCM for the denominators, both on the numerator and denominator here. So for the numerator, we have the denominators as 1 and 8, and for the fractions on the denominator, we have 2 and root 3. So we are going to find the LCM of 2, root 3, and 8, of which we are going to have it as 8 root 3. So we are going to multiply the denominator by 8 root 3 and also multiply the numerator by 8 root 3. Remember, this we're just doing to reduce it to a form that will be easier for us to work with. So for the numerator, when we open the brackets, we'll have to multiply root 3 by 8 root 3. So root 3 multiplies by root 3 to get 3. 3 by 8, that is 24. So we're going to have 24 minus, and then root 3 over 8 times 8 root 3. 8 cancels with 8, and then root 3 by root 3, that is 3. That is for the numerator. And then for the denominator, we will have again root 3 over 2 times 8 root 3. Let me write it here. Root 3 over 2 times 8 root 3. 2 and 8 cancels, so that we have 4. And then root 3 by root 3, that is 3. 3 by 4, that is 12. So we are going to have for this first part 12. And then next we have root 2 over root 3 multiplying 8 root 3. So we'll have root 3 and root 3 cancelling, and therefore we have plus 8 root 2. So the numerator becomes 24 minus 3, that is 21. And then the denominator becomes 12 plus 8 root 2. At this stage, we can now simplify by rationalizing the denominator, and therefore we're going to multiply the denominator by its conjugate, that is 12 minus 8 root 2, and then the numerator also by 12 minus 8 root 2. Well, remember, what you're applying here is just the quadratic identity a squared minus b squared. That's a difference of two squares, which is a plus b into a minus b. So we're just looking for a way to square the root sign so that it disappears from the denominator, and that way we shall have rationalized the denominator. So that's why we are applying this identity on the denominator. So for the denominator, it will be very simple. So let's first expand the numerator. So opening the brackets, we'll have 21 by 12. That should give us 252 minus 21 by 8 root 2. That should be 168 root 2. And then on the denominator, we'll just have to square 12, which is 144, and then subtract the square of 8 root 2. 8 root 2 squared simply means you are squaring 8 to get 64 times, and then you square root 2 to get 2. So this should give us 128. Well, at this point, we can see that the numerator is still 252 minus 168 root 2. And then the denominator 144 minus 128, that should give us 16. Remember, the question required us to give our answer in the form a plus b root c. So that means we'll take 252 divided by 16, and that should give us 15 and 3/4 minus. And then for the next part, we have 168 divided by 16, and that should give us 10 and a half root 2. Finally, that is the result as desired. Remember, we are asked to leave our answer in the form a plus b root c. As you can see, a for this case is 15 and 3/4, b is negative 10 and a half, and c is 2. So that is it for this question. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.